Hey everyone, it's Katie from Reference, and today, on this beautiful sunny day, we are going to learn how to make do-it-yourself seed bombs. Alright, so we have our materials here. We've got just some basic, like, Miracle-Gro potting soil. I've got it set up in just a baking tray with some newspaper just to help with cleanup. I've got some Crayola air dry clay in white. We have our seeds, so I have two mixes of loose seeds. I have a pollinator seed mix, a wildflower seed mix, and you can also go ahead and make your own seed blend, just if you have some loose spare seeds. If you do that though, you want to make sure that they are compatible seeds, you know, that they would be planted about the same time of year in similar conditions. Optionally, you can cut out some 7-inch squares of fabric, especially if you have some leftover fabric for making masks, to wrap up your finished seed bombs if you want to give them out as gifts. Okay, step one is pretty simple. You're going to pinch off enough clay to make about a ball that's like 1 inch in diameter, and then you can use your thumb to press it into a bowl shape. This is a lot like making any kind of filled cookie. I've got one finished here, just into this nice rounded disc shape. Okay, so I've made a couple clay bowls, and into each of them I've put just a pinch of my Northeast Wildflower seed mix. You definitely don't want to overcrowd it. You know, you don't want too many seeds in there. And into each one, I'm going to do just a pinch of potting soil. My potting soil came out of the bag a little clumpy, so you just want to be sure that you either kind of pinch it so it's nice and fine, or just avoid those clumps. All right, a little bit in each one. All right, now I even went back and added just a little bit more potting soil. I'd say about a teaspoon. And now we're ready to pinch the bowls closed. Okay. Now you'll want less of an empanada shape than I have, but I am doing this one-handed, so let me go ahead and get these others done a little more neatly. Alright, well, they certainly don't need to be perfect. I've got my bowls rolled into little clay balls, and I'm now just going to roll them in the potting soil. So you see why it's kind of handy to have it set up in this baking sheet to contain the mess. So just go ahead and get these nice and coated. Okay, so I went ahead and pressed just a little bit of extra soil into these to get them nice and coated, and you are pretty much done. Just let these dry, and if you'd like, you can go ahead and wrap them in one of these squares of fabric. You want to make sure that whatever fabric you're using is breathable. This is cotton, you can use burlap. And then you can tie it really with anything you have on hand. This is just a little scrap piece of yarn. And then if you want, just include any relevant info for planting, what kind of seeds, when they should be planted. And there you go. Do it yourself seed bomb.